Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the online lecture of our class 4 maths. So, we were dealing with the chapter number 6, right? So, in this chapter, you have to learn to do multiplication in your mind. Okay, from now onwards, you have to try to do multiplication in your mind. Sometime you have to give answer without doing the practice in the rough page. Okay, you are getting what I'm saying? You have to calculate in your mind. Okay, so let's do that practice. In a week, how much does Kiran earn from one rickshaw? Do it mentally and write the answer. So let's try. So here, starting with a simple question. So 2 into 6, we all know how to multiply 2 into 6. We know the table, so we can give the answer. 2 6 are 12, right? But there is one another way. Some students know the multiplication of 2 into 5 mentally, but they don't know the multiplication of 2 into 6 because they have not learned the tables properly. So here is one way. See, what is the meaning of 2 multiplied by 6? That is, 2 is of for 6 times, right? 2 is for the 6 time. That is the meaning of the multiplication. So here I have written the 2. So what you have to do, what you can do, you just add up this number. So 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, and one more for the 6th time, and 10 plus 2 12. So this is what we are actually doing. We are calculating 2 6 times, right? So if we know that the answer of 2 times 5 is 10, if we know the answer of 2 times 5 is 10, and we have to calculate the answer of 2 times 6, so how much more 2 we need? Only one. For 2 times 6 we need 2 one time more, so just add the 2 here. Okay, and your answer will be 12. Okay, so let's take one example. Here we are asked 20 times 6. So just forgot about 2 for 0 for some time. Okay, so now you know the multiplication of 2 into 6, then just write it down. Okay, and how many zeros? 1. So just add 1 zeros. Okay, here also you know the answer of 2 into 6, 12, and just add the 1 0. So this you can do for any of the number which consists of zeros. For example, it is asked 8 into 2000. So this is one big number, but there is one shortcut for this. You know the answer of 8 into 2, right? 8 twos are 16, right? And then add this 0 here. So now you can do this multiplication in mind also, because you know 8 twos are 16, and then add the 3 zeros. So your answer will be 16,000. Isn't it simple? You can do like this also. If you are asked for 80 into 20, now what you will do? Now you know the multiplication of 8 into 2, which is 16, and there are how many zeros? 2. So just add that 2 zeros at the last. So 16 0 0, which is 1600. Isn't it simple? Yes. Now moving further, see, now here what is asked? 3 into 42. So 3 times 42, right? So this 42 can be break down. Okay, 42 can be written as 40 plus 2, right? So what you have to do? 3 times 40 and 3 times 2. So we know that 3 times 40, how we can calculate? Okay, you know that 3 fours are 12, so you can just write it down 12. And how many zeros? 1, so write 1 0, simple. And you know that 3 times 2 is 6, so write 6 and just add it up. You know that it is 126. Isn't it simple? Here also we can see 8 fours are 24 and then 1 0. So your answer will be like this. Okay, here you can do like this. 81, split it into 80 in minus 80 and 1. So you know 4 times 80 is 240 by our shortcut method, and 4 times 1 is 4. So just add 4. So you will get answer 244. Isn't it simple? So I hope you will do this practice in your homework. You have to do these two questions by your own self and try to do some other question. Okay, thank you.